How can you invest in Bitcoin without actually owning it? Elon Musk, Bitcoin and Dogecoin have dominated the news in recent weeks, leaving some investors wondering how they can invest in cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin has grown exponentially over the last 10 years, trading for more than $50,000 in recent months and gaining support from a wide range of institutional investors. However, the process continues to dumbfound retail investors as to how they should invest in digital assets. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin was launched in 2009 and is the world's largest cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin is created, stored, traded and distributed through the use of a decentralized ledger system known as blockchain. Historically, it has been costly and volatile. Bitcoin paved the way for the creation of numerous other cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, Binance Coin and Litecoin. 3 ways to indirectly invest in Bitcoin. Investors can invest in cryptocurrencies in a variety of ways without actually owning them. This is a better approach for people who want to learn about the crypto market without diving in headfirst. Invest in cryptocurrency holding companies. An investor can gain indirect exposure to Bitcoin by investing in companies that have them on their balance sheets or that offer digital currency-related services. People can choose from a large number of publicly traded companies that meet this criterion, that have invested in this space and produced meaningful headlines across the globe. Tesla purchased $1.5 billion in Bitcoin and announced that it would accept it as payment for its products. The company, however, recently backed down from accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment, and it also sold the majority of its Bitcoin holdings. Over the weekend, Elon Musk also speculated that Tesla may have sold its entire Bitcoin position. His reason for not backing Bitcoin anymore is because Bitcoin mining is not environmentally friendly. He has backed Dogecoin, and speculations are that Dogecoin could be his currency of choice as he consistently tweets in favor of Dogecoin. Microstrategy. Virginia-based business analytics company Microstrategy is known for its investment in Bitcoin. The publicly traded company has spent more than $2 billion on Bitcoin, and its stock price closely tracks the swings in Bitcoin's price. Coinbase. Coinbase is the first US-based crypto exchange which is listed on the US stock market. The price of Coinbase is closely related to Bitcoin, and it is another way for investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin without worrying about wallets or going through the difficult process of buying Bitcoin. Invest in companies that deal with cryptocurrency-related technology. An investor can also profit from digital currencies by investing in companies that deal with the blockchain technology. Invest in cryptocurrency-related investment funds. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, a fund launched by Grayscale Investments, is the primary source used by investors to gain indirect exposure to digital currencies. It enables investors to buy cryptocurrencies without the need for a digital wallet. The fund, however, charges a 2% management fee, which investors would not have to pay if they held it directly. The growing interest in cryptocurrencies has prompted ETF issuers to pursue the creation of funds that track the performance of Bitcoin. It is believed that Bitcoin ETFs will simplify trading and reduce the complexities of portfolio integration and storage. Following the launch of cryptocurrency ETFs in Canada, a number of companies have filed applications to establish Bitcoin ETFs in the United States as well. The structure, however, has yet to be approved by the Securities and Exchange Commission. Grayscale Investments also plans to convert its trust into an ETF as soon as U.S. regulators approve it. The bottom line: investing in Bitcoin through the alternative methods mentioned could be far safer and simpler than actually holding the digital currency. Investors can benefit from using a traditional brokerage account, which provides added security and ease of use, while taking advantage of the crypto market.